Right now, while I'm filming this, an AI is taking bookings from my wife's business, taking real bookings from real customers. And the other business I showed you, the $200 plan, it just passed $7,600. And that's running the emails in the background as well. So when I tell you what an AI can do, this is not a demo. It's the real stuff that is working right now. But there is one thing that nobody wants to say out loud. Half only of what you hear right now is true about AI. And it will genuinely change your business. And the other half, people just selling you a dream. And they never tell you which half is which. Am I right or wrong? So today we're gonna do exactly that. 4 things that are real, 3 things that are hype, and 3 moves you can do this week. And transparency for everything I do in here, you can replicate it in your own words for your own business. And this is how it actually sounds.
Hey, thank you for calling Skilled Training.
This
This
is
is
a real
Alex.
phone.
How may I help?
The phone has been transferred.
Hi, I like to talk to.
Of course. Can I grab your name and a quick note on what you need to chat with Lisa about so I can let her know before I connect you?
So this is Kanak Dental. I like to change appointment time.
Sure thing, Kanak. I'm going to connect you with Lisa now. Just a moment.
And now this is the real cost. You only actually pay when you use it. So that's the best part about this. Now a quick picture where everyone actually is. 3 out of 4 business owners, they are already using AI. 9 out of 10, they say it's helping. So everyone is using it, right? No, barely 1 out of 7 doing a real job inside the business. Everyone is tasting it. Almost nobody is cooking with it. And 7 out of 10 say the same exact thing. I need someone to show me. That is this video. And there is my little analogy for the whole video. Today is like a keen apprentice. Fastest hands that you ever seen. First day on the job, brilliant. But he knows nothing about your business until you show it. You wouldn't let a day one apprentice unsupervised. But you'd be crazy not to hire him. Keep that picture in your head. It makes every decision easy. Number 1, anything your business writes, draft in seconds. Email, quotes, job ads, replies to reviews. What's the difference between lazy and done properly? This is the part where everyone skips. So basically the lazy part is this. Write a reply for a happy customer. Here is the email. You paste the email in and then you get an answer. So let's do that. And now let's try the proper way. And now what we did, we added a bit more information. The proper way to do this is to connect your email, ask it to pull the email, and then it will see how you reply, how you send emails, how you communicate, reply to this, and then we'll send straight the email. Like I said in this video, somewhere here on the screen, we can stop and have a read, and then we're gonna send it. And now let's see the lazy part, and this is the proper one. And then actually sign with our name. I understand if this is very good. The difference between these two, it was a paragraph with who you are and a bit of context. Rule for everything in this video, AI writes, you approve. It gets 80% in a few seconds. The last 20% is you reading it before it goes anywhere. Never send raw output. Number 2, the paperwork you never read. Contract, supplier agreements, the 30 pages, term and conditions. So AI read it in a few seconds and then it gives you the answer. What's risky and what to ask about. This is how we do it. I just paste the document in here and then we ask the question. So in plain English, what am I agreeing to? What costs me money? What would you suggest the questions before signing? So you just send it. Alright, so here you go. It read all that pages in a few seconds and then it gave us the answer. It's a pretty straightforward answer. Those are the questions that you need to ask. That's what we asked for. That's what we got. This doesn't replace your lawyer. It means you walk into a conversation, you already know what to ask. Does it make sense? Number 3, this is where it gets serious. A repetitive task, you wire it up once and then it runs every day. This is the one from the case study video. And since that video, the one at the top somewhere is the video. Since that video, we passed $7,600, 21 paid invoices. The number grew while you were watching the other videos. Watch, this is live, not a mock-up. So these things does this every day. He pulls them, he cleans them, and then get them ready. And I say go. I did say, where I say? I did say here, I did say send. And then he actually sent it. And then he sent how many he sends? 300 out of 340. So we pulled emails. This was the email 2. So he did the email 1 a few days ago, and now he did email 2, and then we'll do the email 3 on the next week. So literally, it does the job every day, and I just say start or send or approved or change this, change that before you send. So before he sends, it will say, hey, Valentino, I'm ready. And then I say, go. If something goes wrong, it will ask me. And then I say, proceed, fix, or whatever it has to be done. Number 4, this one still gets me. An AI answer your phone. It's not a robot menu. Press 1, press 2. A natural voice will just take the booking, answer the usual question, and text you the summary. So let's call it now. Let's call together and see how this works.
Hey, thank you for calling Skilled Training. This is Alex. How may I help?
Hey, how are you today? I want to book a first aid course for 5 people tomorrow at 5 o'clock in Broad Beach area, please.
I can help with that. What's the full name for the booking?
My name is
Valentino. Which course did you want to book?
First aid.
Thanks. Is the number you're calling from the best number for us to reach you on?
So let's say the full booking was done. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Now, as we speak, I have received the summary in here, but this is what it is. So I have the full recording as well, so you can track it. Now, this runs on my wife's training business. She's teaching, the phone rings, it gets answered, booking gets taken, she gets a text, it gets every call that used to get missed. After hours, during the training, that used to go to voicemail, and now someone is taking care of the call. Every missed call is money walking away from you. Cost a fraction of the part-time hire. So what's real? Drafting your voice, read the boring stuff, one repetitive job on the rails, and the phone. Did you notice something? None of them replaced a human. They gave the people you have their hours back. They are more effective. You are more effective. You have more time. You can choose to do whatever you want to do with your time. Now the other half, 3 things that sounds amazing that will burn you. Hype number 1, anyone telling you AI means you can cut your team? Here is what actually happened. The business across the town is training people on AI. Their coach gets out in the same day. Admin takes half the time. You fire your admin. You are doing the admin job at 11 at night because you're working during the day. AI doesn't replace your people. Businesses that train their people replace the businesses that they don't. Write that down. Number 2, click, and that's it. Everything is running on its own. Push a button, AI builds your website. Paste a prompt, AI builds your website. Paste a prompt, your entire marketing is done. Your products, money comes out. It's like pumping money out of the ground. You have seen these videos. Apprentice can't run the business in the day one. Every real system that I showed you took time to set it up and take time to fix while he learns how you run the business. You're gonna improve. He's gonna improve as well. So you adjust it as you go. Anyone is selling you a no work at all, it's selling you a dream, not a tool. All these people are selling the dream. The way they actually make money is they actually make money with you. In the AI business, if you don't know how to do sales, you can be the best at AI. A lot of people that are out there and they are good at marketing, they're not good at AI. So they just sell whatever framework is working to take your eyes. Hey, this AI agent runs your entire business. That's the marketing skills. It's not they actually teaching educational stuff. Write that down. Next time you see it, do some research on the people, what actually they're doing. I'm not good at sales. I can't sell literally anything. I am good at AI. I know what I'm doing. I can build things. I can make them work. I'm very efficient in building and being ethical. That's why none of my titles and thumbnails promise you the moon, because you can't get the moon. And I want to help individuals like you and businesses to actually be able to use AI and to grow. I want that for me. I want that for you. Here is the number 3, and this costs you real money. Trusting AI facts and numbers if you do not ask specifically to verify the facts and check the numbers. It's fully confident in making you believe whatever he's saying. Ask to verify before he gives you the data. So where do you actually start? Not with 10 tools, 3 things. Write this down. Move 1, pick 1 job. Most repetitive, the most annoying one. 1 job, not 5. You will want to do everything. I know. Don't. Just one. Move 2. For 1 week, do the job with AI. Do not let AI do it for you. You do it with AI. Every time a job comes up, or every time there is something that comes up for the job that you picked, you make sure you work with AI to fix the problem, fix the situation. Whatever is in there, make sure you use AI and then do it together. do a project folder, and then make sure everything that is related to that one job, use it in there. Like in this video, I show you how to create a project folder and how to use it. This is the week everyone skips. They do it 1 day, 2 days, and then that's it. They think it's amazing, and then you start making mistakes. It's not updating the AI or the folder or the project, and then everything is just very hard to fix because it just gets off the rails. They will start sound like a robot, adding all sorts of nonsense in there. Now the move 3, this is very important. 1 page of rules. Take your time, sit down and start typing. How do you actually handle the job? What do? You just every day you pull up the information, or whenever you get a quote, what do you do? How do you quote it? What is in your head, you need to put in words and then feed it to the AI. This is very, very important. If there are tips and tricks that you think of, if there are ways you actually communicate, if there are ways you actually fix that job that you want the AI to do, you need to put it in writing and then pass it to AI. Now, the honest part, I always want to be straight with you. None of this is set and forget for now. The AI will do wrong things, and then you need to make sure you fix them. And then like that, you teach the AI to actually be like you. Anything changes, you need to update the folder, the project, or however you work with the AI. 70 to 80% will be done. The 20% is the hardest part, not the 80%. The 20%, that's the hard part. That's the week you need to put into. That's the back and forth you need to do. That 20%. I know it sounds backwards. The 80% is the hard part. No, the 80% is the easy part. The 20% is the hard part. A quick recap. What's real? Drafting your voice, reading the long stuff, one job on the rails, and the phone. What is hype? Firing your team, one-click business, and trusting AI numbers out of the box. Your move is to pick one job, do it with AI for a week, and write 1 page of rules. This is a must. 3 things you need to do. Everything I did today, you can start today. As you finish this video, start applying these 3. Tell me in the comments what your business is and which job you handed over first. Because in the next videos, I'm building the exact stack for your industry, one by one. Subscribe so you don't miss yours. Keep learning, and I'll see you next one.